Hello, sir. Our Android mini project is Farmer Mitra. This project is developed by Ashita Alva and Shetty Vaishnavi Nagaprasad. Before showing this app, I would like to tell the software requirements. This application is developed using Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA software and designed specifically for Android development. Android Studio supports all the same programming languages of IntelliJ. For database, we have used SQLite and we have used Java for backend and XML for frontend. SQLite is an embedded SQL database engine, unlike most other SQL databases. SQL does not have a separate server process. SQLite reads and writes directly to ordinary disk files. This is about the software requirements. Coming back to the app, our app name is Farmer Mitra. This app helps farmers to know the detailed price of the crops. For example, areca nut, coconut, pepper, rubber. These are the main crops in Dakshina Kannada. This app will helps to know the detailed price of these crops in different places. In this app, we have provided login and sign up page. If the user is new, then they have to sign up first. In sign up page, they have to provide information such as email address, username and password. Once they have registered, after sign up, they have to come to main page. Again they have to log in back. After logging in, it will come to this main page where we have provided four different kinds of crops. Here we have used card weave and relative layout. Once if they press on Arecanet, it will go to another page. Here we have listed uh, different places with detailed crop price. Here we have used recycler weave to display the list. As you can see, here we have given different places with detailed price. If we press on coconut, it will go back to new page, and even here we have used recycler weave to show the list. Here we have given different places with detailed price list. These are the main crops we have provided. This will give a detailed price list of these crops in different places. We have provided contact us. Here we have given our information. This is about our app. Thank you, sir.